Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful look for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's gel brush, and I will also be using Light Elegance Cheers from Down Under, this beautiful glitter gel. I'm just going to apply this on the bottom half of my nails, and then I'm going to kind of feather it out a little bit, and then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And I know a few of you guys have asked to see my little one, so stay tuned to the end of this video, and I definitely have a few pictures to show you guys. And I forgot to mention that I'm going to be doing this for all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same beautiful color, Cheers from Down Under, and I'm going to apply it, just do a second coat, but on my ring finger I'm going to apply it all over my finger because I decided I wanted a full glitter nail after the fact, so that's what I'm doing here. Then once I'm done doing this, I am going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Show Me Your Chakra. It's their buttercreams, and I'm going to apply this on my nails. And then after I'm done applying it, before I cure it, I'm going to go in with my Born Pretty's Ombre brush. Oh my gosh, I even forgot the name of it. And I'm going to like feather it down the nail, and just so that it creates like this nice blend and it's not like a harsh line. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go back in with that same color, Show Me Your Chakra, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to put it on my nails and then use my ombre brush to feather it down my nails, and then when I get it how I like it, I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using the Kiara Sky top coat. I'm going to apply this on all of my nails and then give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. And now we have the baby photos. So this is Lincoln a couple hours after he was first born, and then this is Lincoln when he was 2 weeks old when we did his baby photos. He's just so cute, I can't take it. And then this is me and Lincoln when he was like a month old at his cousin's birthday. And then this is Lincoln when he was 2 months old. He's just getting so big and so cute. And then this is our family photos when Lincoln was 3 months. And Lincoln's still 3 months in this photo. And then this is Christmas and Lincoln is 6 months old. You guys, I can't take it. Look at the smiles. I can't take it. So these are my final results. Let me know how you guys like this set. I feel like I could have did it better because, you know, Show Me Your Chakra kind of, you know, you can see everything. so I should have did it in it with a different color, just like a solid color. But I think this set came out really beautiful. I still really like it. So yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.